Hi there! This time I recording opening after finishing work, but please pretend that you don't know about this. Today I'm making one floor. I'll cut the OSB panels to cover one shape, and also cover with the lock this lock on the OSB. This is not locked, this is locked. And just a quick note that I'm not an expert and I'm not always know exactly what I'm doing, and these videos, serious videos about one build, it's just like sharing my experience, real experience. Because in the internet I saw tons of videos, but honestly it looks like people know about this already a lot of tiny details, and they have a good background with the handmade stuff, but I'm not, and this series of video about one build, it's not a tutorial and not a guide, just sharing experience and login process for myself also. If you like videos, hit the like and don't forget to subscribe to see how it will go. Well done. They put OSB plates. It wasn't easy. First I had to take everything out of the van to finally start cutting the OSB panels to fit the floor shape. And this time I've got two lovely minions. And then cut more and more and more and more. Later that day it was already getting dark, but I still kept going, finishing the varnish by flashlight.